guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be installing this WordPress theme on our server. So in this video I'm going to be directing you guys, like teaching you step by step on how to install this wonderful premium theme on your WordPress dashboard. So over here is the theme forest for us to see the theme we want to install. This is a Baron theme. This is a construction, engineering, and architecture WordPress theme. So if we click on this live preview, it's actually going to take us to the live preview of this wonderful theme. But I already have the live preview here, and this is how it looks like. This is the home pages. So once we click on this, showing you the main home page. Once you click on this, you're going to see how beautiful this website looks. It looks like this. It's a very sleeky design that you can actually convert for your clients and get paid. You don't necessarily need to crack your head and start from scratch. You can use this and make a lot of money from your clients. Most clients will want to see their company website looking so sleeky and high converting for their businesses. So if you have a client that is working as an engineering, construction, factory, architecture, industrial handyman, building, and renewable energy like solar energy, this is the perfect website for them. This is the perfect website for them. They can use this website and it will look like it's a foreign design. Like, look at this. Look at this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this on your WordPress. So we're going to install this on our WordPress together on this video. Now, before we start, if you've not subscribed on our channel, this is our channel. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos like this one. So what we're going to do now is to go over to our cPanel. Also, if you don't know how to use your cPanel, or if you don't know how to get cPanel and domain name, I'm going to tag a video on my description. The video explains how you can get your domain name and hosting, and also upload your WordPress to your WordPress server using this WordPress manager by Softaculous. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this area. Clicking on this area now, I have WordPress account installed already. So the video is going to explain to you how to install your WordPress account and how to get your domain name and hosting. So what I'm going to do here is for me to click on login. I already have an account. I want to use it as a sample. I can actually use any of this as a sample. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to erase the WordPress account that is occupied with the website if you don't want to back up the website. So we'll click on login. So over here, this WordPress account is highly occupied. So what we're going to do here is to reset everything so it will come back to normal. Click on install plugins. So over here, what we're going to do here is to is to deactivate all the plugins here. Select bulk, apply. Then we go on add new plugin. We're going to look for WP reset. So we'll have it here. We're going to update this plugin. And once it's updated, this is the plugin you're going to install. Once it's updated, we are going back to installed plugins. So we're going to activate this plugin. So this is the plugin we're going to use to reset this WordPress dashboard. So we're going to scroll down to this area and input the word reset. I'll click on it. If you're having this invalid confirmation like this, you can use a capital letter with the R. So if you're having this error command here, you can still go back. They have multiple WP resets. So I have this advanced here. You can also search for it if you're looking for it. Once you click on this WP reset, you see the number 1 WP reset. You can go down. This is the advanced WordPress reset. So we're going back to the installed area to activate this plugin. So once the plugin is activated, we click on this area home. So over here now, we're going to scroll down here and input the word reset again. Excuse me. So automatically the WordPress it's back as new. It's back as new. So we're going to clear all this. We're going to clear all this. So you see that our WordPress is back as new. So what we're going to do here is to go to appearance. Over here, we're going to eradicate all these themes over here because we don't need them. We're going to take them off. We don't need them. So most of you that is installing this WordPress for the first time, you're not going to see all these themes because I've used these accounts before. That's why you're seeing me deleting all this. So you're not going to see all these themes on your WordPress. It's going to be different actually. So the theme we're about to install is this theme called Baron. So for us to install this theme, all you need to do is to click on add new, click on upload, choose your file, and then install the themes. Also, if you're purchasing this theme, all these documentations and these folders are going to come with it. So you need everything on this theme. You need everything on this area for you to operate this theme. So over here now, we already installed the main theme. What we're going to install now is the child's theme. So click on this child's theme and upload. It's the same way you're going to upload the theme once you have the theme in your possession. So now we have both the child's theme and the main theme. So the child themes actually help you back up your theme in terms of new updates, so you don't lose the quality of the one you're installing. But most people don't install their child theme because it's not actually important for them. But for me, it's very important. So what we're going to do now is to begin to activate plugins. Click on all these plugins, click Action, Activate, Apply. So we're going to wait for all the plugins to activate. So wait for these plugins to activate. So over here, we've successfully installed all the plugins. So we're going to return to the dashboard. Now what we're going to do here again is to go over the appearance area and click on import demo data. So this demo data now, we're going to click on import demo data. So what we're going to do is to click, okay, the plugins which are recommended by one click demo import is to help you grow your website. They are not required for the okay, they are offering us all-in-one SEO and master insight. So, but we don't need that. Click on this importing content. So we're going to wait for it to import. So over here, you can see that our demo data has been imported. So what we're going to do now is for us to visit our website. So right click and open new tab. So our website is loading up. So this is what you're going to see when you are done loading up the website. You're going to see this. There is nothing to show here. So we're going to fix that now. So we'll go back to our dashboard. Go to our dashboard. Scroll down to, we're going to add a couple of plugins again. Go to add plugins again, and after that, we're going to fix this. So over here, we're going to upload plugins, choose file, click on this plugins area, click on this, click on install. Okay. So click on this again. We choose the second one. And click on install. So now we need to update our WordPress version to 6.8.2. So we're going to update that. After doing that, we have an updated WordPress. So we'll click on the dashboard again. We'll go to plugins again. Okay, we have everything installed. So what we need to do here is to go on this slider revolution. No thanks. So what we're going to do here is to import demo manually. So we're going to go here, click on demo, select all this, and import. So it's going to import all these demos for us. So after importing all this demo, we're going to refresh our website to see if the demo is actually reflecting on our website. So this is how to install a theme on your WordPress. Is how to install a theme on your WordPress, this particular theme. So we have to report that the demo is not, or we're going to do that manually again. So what we need to do first is for us to refresh and see how this website actually looks like. So you can see that the demo, the slider revolution area is working perfectly right now. So you can select from the area you want, construction, can select from the area you want and select. You see how sleeky this website looks like. Looks very, very sleeky. It looks very, very, very sleeky. It's so beautiful. Like, select engineering. Like, I feel so happy seeing this kind of beautiful website. See, actually, see this. Okay, architecture. See how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful. So beautiful. So remember, this is how to install this beautiful website. Also, if you've not subscribed, kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and if you have any questions on how to get this theme, I'm going to drop a link on the description where you can get this theme. Also, if you have troubles installing it, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp contact on the description so you can contact me and I can be able to help you out with the necessary things you need. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I want to say God bless and have a wonderful day.